start with the basic proportionality theorem. We will also call it as Thales theorem or BPT theorem. Clear? So basic proportionality theorem, that is very important topic for your boards also. Okay, for both the standard and basic mathematics both classes. Now first of all, the statement is there: if a line is drawn parallel to a one side of triangle and intersect the other two sides of triangle, the other two sides are in the same ratio. Means अगर एक लाइन ट्रायंगल में दूसरी एक ट्रायंगल की एक साइड से पैरेलल होगी तो बाकी दो साइड्स क्या होगी, सेम रेशियो की प्रोपोर्शनल होगी. दैट मींस इफ यू विल ड्रॉ अ ट्रायंगल, दिस इज योर ट्रायंगल, let's suppose this is a ABC is your triangle. Now you will draw one parallel line, that is DE, and this DE is parallel to BC. That means ABC are the vertices of a triangle and this DE is parallel to BC. Now you will write the given. So first of all, given is triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle triangle. Basically ABC is your triangle. ABC is a triangle. After that, DE is parallel to BC. This DE is parallel to BC. Now you will have to write to prove. So what will you have to prove? You will prove that is these ratios are proportional. Means AD over DB is equal to AE over EC. Means पेपर में मुझे आपको बीपीटी थ्योरम की जगह ये स्टेटमेंट ज्यादा आएगी. Means if a line, this is your line, is drawn parallel to the one side of triangle, means one side of a triangle, this line is parallel to this line, this line is parallel to the one side of a triangle, then you will find that these sides are in the same ratio, that is AD over DB is equal to AE over EC. If DE is parallel to BC, then this ratio will be equal. Now you will have to make some construction work. Now what will you conclude or what will you construct? Firstly you will join this B with E and C with D. So join BE and CD. This is a joining. After that you will also draw a perpendicular, that is firstly draw a perpendicular from E. So this is your EF perpendicular, and after that there will be DG. This is also a perpendicular. So EF एक perpendicular है तो यहाँ 90 डिग्री का एंगल हुआ. DG perpendicular है तो this is also a 90 डिग्री. अब you will have to draw a perpendicular DG, draw perpendicular DG, and this DG perpendicular is perpendicular to full side of this triangle, that is AC. So this DG is the perpendicular that is to the side AC. This is your AC. And another perpendicular EF that is perpendicular to this side of a triangle, that is AB. This is AB. Clear? Now you will have to prove. Okay, so proof will be there. First of all, you will write this EF is a perpendicular to AB. So since EF is perpendicular to AB, so since EF is the perpendicular that is perpendicular to side or base AB, so you will find what is the area of triangle. Area of triangle, this triangle. You will take these two triangles. First is this triangle AED, and another is this triangle DBE. First we take triangle ADE. So triangle ADE, and what is the formula of area of triangle? That is half into base into height. So what is the half? First we write it as constant, half into base. So this is the base. So this is the base. In triangle ADE, the base is this side, that is AD. So AD is the base. And perpendicular, that is your perpendicular is height is your perpendicular, that is EF. So EF is the perpendicular. So EF is the perpendicular. नाउ टेक अनदर ट्राइंगल, नीचे वाली ट्राइंगल ले लेंगे DEB, ट्राइंगल DEB, that is again formula is same, half into base into height, so half, if in this triangle the base is this side AD, now the base is DB, and perpendicular will remain same, perpendicular which वही रहेगा, ठीक है, EF, that is perpendicular will remain same, EF, clear? Now divide these two terms, so if you will divide these two equations, you will get area triangle ADE over area triangle DEB is equal to this side, right hand side, that is half AD into EF over half DB into EF. जो भी चीजें इक्वल है उसको कैंसिल आउट करो, हाफ कैंसिल आउट विद हाफ, EF is cancelled out with EF, and you will get area of triangle ADE over area of triangle DEB is equal to AD over DB, and this is your first equation. Take it as first equation. Now similarly you will not have to derive the equation, उनको दोबारा आपको derive नहीं करने की जरूरत, you will just take that two triangles ADE and each other triangle, that is DEC now. So area of triangle, that is ADE, will remain same, and triangle DEC now. So area of triangle DEC, that is your right hand side. पहले left hand side कर लिया, फिर right hand side, दोनों triangles हो गए, is equal to, if in these two areas you will take the sides are AD over DB, so now your sides will be AE over EC. अब आ गई आपकी साइड AE over EC. This is the second equation. Clear? As you know, this is a triangle ADE. यहाँ भी triangle ADE. This remains same. But these triangles DEB and DEC, just see triangle DEB and triangle DEC. This is your DEB. This is your DEC. Both having same base. Which is the base? Both triangles, this triangle and this triangle, both have same base. That is, this is the same base, DE. So if the triangle और दोनों triangles का base same है, तो दोनों के areas भी क्या होंगे? Equal. So that is the since triangle DEB, ये वाली triangle, and triangle DEC have same base. दोनों का बेस क्या है? सेम. कौन सा बेस था उनका? DE. और एंड बोथ आर पैरेलल भी है, तो दैट्स व्हाई एरिया भी दोनों के क्या होंगे? इक्वल. दैट इज ट्रायंगल DEB एंड ट्रायंगल DEC बोथ हैविंग इक्वल एरियाज. इनके एरियाज भी क्या आ गए? इक्वल आ गए. सो एज यू नो, this area is equal, AD, this DEB is also equal to, this DEB is also equal to DEC. ये भी हो गया. सो अगर दोनों साइड्स की फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड इक्वेशन को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल आ गई, सो फ्रॉम 1 and 2 इक्वेशंस, if the left hand sides are equal, the right hand sides are automatically equal. So that means AD over DB is equal to AE over EC. So this is the final expression. That is, you will have to prove this equation. This ratio will be proportional. That means अगर दो साइड्स, अगर कोई भी एक साइड आपने ड्रॉ की है वो एक ट्रायंगल की एक साइड से पैरेलल है, तो बच्चे वो रेशियो भी क्या होगी उनकी? प्रोपोर्शनल. मींस वो रेशियोज भी क्या होगी? इक्वल. सो दिस इज योर थियरम्स डीपीटी और बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम. पेपर में आपको ये स्टेटमेंट ज्यादा आए, ये स्टेटमेंट लिखी होगी और आपने ड्राइव करना होगा ये थ्योरम. Okay, so this is the most important theorem in this chapter, triangle.